Installing an enclosure fan module. Note: the 1U3N enclosure is shown in this video. The same replacement procedure can be used for the 1U2N enclosure. Locate the fan slot in the enclosure. Align the fan module with the fan slot, and then lower the fan module into the fan slot. Connect the fan power cable to the fan control board. Slide the safety cover over the fan control board power cable. Align the safety cover with the fan control board cage, and then insert it into the fan control board power cage until it clicks into position. Reconnect the fan control board power cable to the node. Install the air baffle. Place the middle top cover on the top of the enclosure. Fasten the 8 captive screws to secure the middle top cover.